Anybody else just find it so comforting and gratifying to just sit at your desk or whatever it is you do your makeup, put on a YouTube video, listen, watch it, and do your makeup? It's just so comforting, and like I literally could put on my makeup, take it off, put it on like all day long. All right, so here we go with December's Ipsy. I'm still on the frigging waiting list. I don't know how long this goddamn list is, but I've emailed them a bunch of times. I don't really know. I think they were just beating around the bush telling me that we don't know how long the wait list is. You're just gonna have to wait, hence the wait list. So it comes in a little pretty gold sparkly bag. It's got kind of a little leather detail on the back. And here we go. The theme for this month is Be Merry, Be Bright, Be Bold, Be You. And the first thing I see is from Catherine Natural Cosmetics, and it looks like it could be a single shadow. Comes like in a little box. Oh, it's a highlighter, I think. That's beautiful. Very pretty. A little on the glittery side, but I don't know what it's called, but it says Sienna's Highlight Spread the Love. I don't put a little on. I have a highlighter on anyway, but could always use more. And I mean, obviously this could definitely be a highlight or an eyeshadow. Very pretty. All right, the next thing is going in my getting rid of pile because I don't like professional. Oh, the next is a brush, and this is a Farah brush, F-A-R-A-H. It's like a nice, kind of on the big side. Oh, it's very soft though. But not too soft. You know, like in a brush is too soft, it just bends and it's like not doing anything. It kind of just ends up brushing your makeup away. This actually feels like a nice thickness and softness. I'll put that in my brush bin. The next is from Grace and Stella. Oh, and this is a Deep Sea Mud Mask. Meet mud, your skin's new best friend. Leave on for 10 minutes, rinse with warm water. Cool. I'll definitely use that. All right, the next is from the Balm. Oh, and this is the Foiled Again eyeshadow. And it's like a rose gold. That's very pretty. It's very pretty. It's a very nice copper shade. I'm not going to keep it though. I'm actually going to pass it on because I don't usually reach for these kind of tiny things, but it's a very nice color and definitely worth trying if you get it in your bag. And it looks like another brush. Ugh, these look crappy to me. I don't know why. It comes in like this weird, like when you get like plastic forks and stuff. It looks like it could be like a good under eye setting powder. Something Miss Glam, L36. It's got like little studs on the side. It's a very pretty brush. Yeah, I'll use that. Sure. All right, and that was it for my Ipsy unboxing. I hope next month I will be getting the Plus. Anyway, when I do, I'll pit that against that month's BoxyCharm because they're very close in price, and I'm assuming they'll be close in like amount and everything. So just keep an eye out for that, and fingers crossed that it's coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.